a quiet rare na Rolex watch pero modern siya. It's not vintage. So ano nga ito? What's up guys? Another watch, another day. And today, we will be discussing the Rolex Sea Dweller 40 or 4000. Because this was only produced for 2 years production lang ni Rolex to. From 2014 up to 2016 lang to produce ni Rolex. So what it is, it's here on my wrist. Siyempre, hindi ako sinusuot ko lahat. Basta rare, sinusuot ko yan. Alright, nakita nyo na guys. So here, what it is it features a ceramic bezel siya na may helium valve din siya. So medyo mas makapal lang siya ng konti sa Submariner, pero it has the same case size which is 40mm. Kaya people actually call it the Rolex Submariner Pro. Kasi mas malalim yung kaya niyang i-dive, which is 4,000 feet or equivalent to 1,220 meters. Kalagay dito guys yan. So, the reference of this one is 116600 Sea Dweller 40, the last ever Sea Dweller na 40mm na nirelease ni Rolex. Kaya sobrang ganda nito, ceramic bezel pa. Very nice kasi it features a glide lock system. Huh? Ang dali niyang i-adjust. Pwedeng sobrang laki, pwedeng sobrang liit para kay Macy's. Ganun kabilis guys. And how it sits on my wrist, of course, syempre, check tayo. Wrist check. Also, a noticeable difference niya from a Submariner na 40mm din. This one, again, as I said, mas thicker siya ng konti and it doesn't have yung Cyclops niya dito sa may date. So, that's the only difference, guys. Pero ito nga, they call it Submariner Pro kasi mas robust siya and may helium valve pa siya and pwede siya diving on really depth level. Tama ba yun? Deep. Deep level. Basta, maganda.